What's the meaning of anapestic? Anapestic. 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 Anapestic.
The term anapestic refers to a metrical foot or poetic rhythm that consists of 3 syllables, with the first 2 being unstressed and the final one being stressed. This rhythmic pattern creates a d-d-d-u-m sound, which can add a lively and upbeat feeling to a poem or piece of writing. Anapestic meter is often used in limericks, as it helps to create a bouncy and humorous tone. Overall, the use of anapestic meter can bring energy and movement to a piece of writing.